The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is a marvel of modern science, a state-of-the-art observatory that promises to answer some of the most profound questions about the universe. Since its launch, the telescope has been heralded as a groundbreaking tool in astronomy. It allows us to look farther into space and time than any other instrument before it, offering us the chance to study objects billions of years old and providing detailed images and data that no previous telescope could capture. The JWST was designed to observe the cosmos in infrared, enabling it to peer through cosmic dust and gas clouds that obscure our view of distant stars, galaxies, and planetary systems. Its advanced instruments allow it to make observations of distant galaxies, stellar nurseries, and even planets beyond our solar system. Already, the telescope has made a name for itself by unveiling previously unseen aspects of the universe. But now, it's made a discovery so extraordinary that it could challenge everything we know about the cosmos and possibly lead to the destruction of the universe itself. It's a claim that might sound sensational, but let's take a closer look at the details behind this discovery and the theories that support the possibility of such an unprecedented event. Before we jump into the discovery itself, let's first take a moment to understand what makes the James Webb Space Telescope so extraordinary. Launched in December 2021, JWST is the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope with a much more powerful array of instruments. Hubble helped us peer into the distant past of the universe, revealing ancient galaxies and the evolution of stars and planets. However, Hubble's visible light observations were limited. JWST, on the other hand, operates in the infrared spectrum, which means it can see through gas and dust clouds that block visible light, revealing hidden cosmic phenomena. The telescope is also capable of observing objects that are so far away that their light takes billions of years to reach us. By looking at distant galaxies and stars in infrared, JWST is essentially looking back in time, viewing the universe as it was in its infancy. This capability allows scientists to study the early universe, explore the formation of stars and galaxies, and even detect exoplanets that might harbor life. Its infrared instruments are so precise that they can detect faint heat signatures, giving astronomers a clearer view of the cosmos than ever before. The discovery that has scientists buzzing revolves around an anomaly detected in deep space by the JWST's powerful instruments. What exactly was observed? At this point, the details are still being pieced together, but it seems that the telescope has uncovered something incredibly strange, possibly related to dark matter, the formation of black holes, or even a new cosmic event that could reshape our understanding of how the universe works. This discovery is important because it offers new insights into the fundamental structure of the universe. One theory suggests that the anomaly could be a sign of a new, unknown type of black hole. Black holes, as we know, are areas of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. They play a critical role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. If this discovery is indeed related to a new kind of black hole, it could have far-reaching implications for the way we understand these cosmic giants and their influence on the universe. Other theories suggest that the discovery could be related to dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up about 27% of the universe, but remains largely undetectable by conventional methods. Dark matter doesn't emit or absorb light, making it invisible to most telescopes, but it has a strong gravitational effect on visible matter, like stars and galaxies. If this anomaly is related to dark matter, it could help solve one of the most profound mysteries in modern physics. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How could this discovery possibly lead to the destruction of the universe? The idea might sound far-fetched at first, but there are legitimate scientific theories that propose how certain cosmic phenomena could eventually lead to the end of the universe as we know it. One of the leading ideas is the concept of the Big Rip. This theory suggests that the universe's expansion, which has been accelerating for billions of years, could eventually reach a point where it tears apart all structures in the universe, from galaxies down to atoms themselves. The cause of this expansion is thought to be dark energy, a mysterious force that pushes the universe apart. If the JWST's discovery is related to dark energy, it could provide us with clues about the forces behind this expansion, possibly offering a more detailed understanding of when and how the Big Rip might occur. Another possibility is the Big Crunch, a theory in which the universe's expansion eventually slows down, reverses, and collapses in on itself. This would lead to a catastrophic end as galaxies, stars, and planets are crushed into a singularity, similar to the way a black hole's gravity warps space-time. If the anomaly detected by the JWST is somehow related to the end of the universe's expansion, it could signal that we are heading toward a big crunch. Finally, there is the theory of vacuum decay, which proposes that the universe could end in a much more sudden and dramatic way. Vacuum decay suggests that if the Higgs field, the quantum field responsible for giving particles mass, experiences a shift, it could destabilize the fabric of space-time itself, leading to the destruction of the entire universe. If the JWST's discovery is tied to this phenomenon, it would be a truly catastrophic revelation. At this point, you might be wondering, how seriously should we take these theories? What are the experts saying about this discovery? It's true that any new finding, especially one with the potential to alter our understanding of the universe, requires careful scrutiny, and scientists are approaching this discovery with caution. Some astrophysicists argue that while the anomaly is certainly exciting, it's far too early to jump to any conclusions about its impact on the universe. After all, our understanding of the cosmos is still incomplete, and the vast majority of the universe remains unexplored. It's possible that this discovery is a temporary anomaly, a misunderstanding of data, or something entirely unrelated to the fate of the universe. On the other hand, some scientists are more cautious, acknowledging that while we may not be facing the end of the universe just yet, the discovery could still lead to new insights into the underlying forces that shape our reality. They suggest that the discovery could offer new clues about the nature of dark energy, dark matter, or black holes, which could ultimately change the course of future research. Regardless of the specific outcome, this discovery has already made a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. It forces us to confront questions about the fundamental nature of existence and the forces that govern the cosmos. Could there be other forces at work that we haven't yet discovered? What role do black holes, dark matter, and dark energy play in the larger structure of the universe? And perhaps most importantly, what does this discovery tell us about the ultimate fate of the universe? These are questions that will drive research in the coming years and decades. The JWST's findings could open up new avenues of study, leading to further space missions, new telescopes, and a deeper understanding of the cosmos. The discovery could also spark a broader philosophical conversation about humanity's place in the universe. If the universe is indeed hurtling toward a dramatic end, what does that mean for us? How do we, as a species, navigate the vastness of time and space in the face of such uncertainty? Now, let's address the most important question of all: should we be worried? While the potential consequences of this discovery may sound alarming, it's important to remember that the timeline for such catastrophic events, if they are indeed tied to this discovery, is likely to span billions of years. The end of the universe is not something we need to lose sleep over, at least not in the immediate future. In fact, most of the scenarios discussed, such as the Big Rip or Big Crunch, are so far in the future that they are essentially beyond our comprehension. So, while it's fascinating to think about the ultimate fate of the universe, we can rest easy knowing that our day-to-day lives are unlikely to be affected by these cosmic events anytime soon. Even so, the discovery of this anomaly serves as a reminder of just how much we have yet to learn about the cosmos. Science often uncovers mysteries that are initially difficult to understand, but these mysteries are what drive human curiosity and innovation. If anything, this discovery reminds us of the fragility of our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Whether the JWST's discovery ultimately leads to the end of the universe or opens up new realms of understanding, it's a testament to the power of human exploration and the quest for knowledge. So, what's the bottom line? The latest discovery by the James Webb Space Telescope is certainly groundbreaking, and while it may not be the harbinger of the end of the universe, it raises important questions about the forces that shape our reality. The theories surrounding the potential consequences of this discovery are fascinating, and while the likelihood of the universe ending anytime soon is slim, this anomaly could still change the way we view the cosmos. As we continue to study the universe, we'll uncover more mysteries and perhaps, one day, we'll discover the true fate of our universe. For now, we can only marvel at the incredible findings the JWST is bringing to light. What do you think about this discovery? Could it lead to the end of the universe? Or is it just another cosmic anomaly? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending space discoveries.